Yes, we are back. So I've loaded, extracted all the CSV files into the Power BI. You can see at my left, the right hand pane, we have the dimension and then the fact tables. So we are in the calendar dimension table. I want to change this format for the date. We only have a date column. I want to change this format. So clicking on the date column, let's change this date to day, month, year. I like this one. So what we are doing now is transformation stage. After the extraction, we transform and then add some columns. We are going to organize and then add some columns to our tables before we do the connections. Okay, so this data column, data type column is okay. Now, we want to add columns to it. In this case, we have to go back to transformation of data so that we can enter into query editor stage and do some cleaning. If not cleaning, we would add some columns to it. So I think the data is okay. The data is okay. Let's click on calendar. Yes. So with this stage, it will remain like this. When we get back to the data view, then we can change the format back to it again. So over here, let's create some columns. Columns we are creating is day name, the start of week, start of month. In that case, let's go to add column tab and come to where the date is, making sure that we've selected the date column. So the first thing is day name, the name of the day. So let's click on this one. It will insert a column called day what name. Now whilst this one is selected, let's look at the start of the week. So we go to week, then start of week. Okay, then let's create start of month. Now you see that this one is selected. If we go on to add another column, start of month, it will use this one. We don't want that. So in that case, we would have to select column, the date column again. Then whilst in the add column, we go to the month, start of month. Okay, that has added. We will still maintain the column names. Select the date. Let's look for month name, name of month. It's created here. The query editor automatically detects the data type and gives a data type that is appropriate. If you think that it's not appropriate, you can change the data type. So let's do that for month number. So select month. Okay, so just select month. Okay, then lastly, last but one, let's do start of year. Let's do for a year and then start of year and then quarter. So whilst the data column, the date column is selected, start of quarter, right? And then let's do that for year two. Let's make it start of year and then also make a year number two. Just the year. Right. So this is okay for the calendar dimension table. We shall do some other transformation by formatting the dates in each, especially look at start of month. We'll change the the names in there to what numbers. That would be more appropriate. So start of year is whole number, start year is whole number, start of year whole number, date, start of quarter date, and so on and so forth. Now, when we get to the data view, we can also create what we call um, date hierarchy. This date hierarchy will be in that order where we'll have the year, the month, and then probably the week. That will be in the data view, not in the transformation. So let's do a little bit of transformation in the customers table in the next video.